Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome, you're all welcome. You're all welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome, you're all welcome. You're all welcome to the neighborhood. Around, time to start the party. Apologies if the brother was tardy. It took a while for my brother to start me, but now I'm trying to be a legend like John and Robert Marley. Bet they never seen this before. A couple black kids who go rock out with a snowboard. Oh Lord, and the kid been so bored, chilling in the cut, so I ain't chilling it no more. Settle for average, no way. Why? When my band could rock the whole damn showcase. Jock said, whatever we do, kid, we gotta do it now. Let's get down with the music, okay? Small club, but I'm getting in. Same old me, I ain't worried about fitting in. If you think that we ain't gonna blow, then think again. This goes out to everybody that's listening. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss a project I'm doing through Kickstarter. Today, I am requesting donations for you so that I can complete my food truck. My food truck will consist of 2 menus. One menu of a daytime menu. My daytime menu will have things like hamburgers, hot dogs, Italian sausage, nachos and cheese, cheesy tots, french fries, and things like that. That menu will also be available at night. At night, my menu will consist of things like neck bones, pig feet, turkey wings.
And I'm exciting that crowd. I bet they on the Facebook page liking me now. And Josh said I'ma start losing privacy now. And for real, it's kinda bugging me out. But I ain't worried, this song making good. Matter of fact, I prefer to just say, what come this? Or stay for good. Either way, welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. No way, my dear. You want it, we got it. It's right here, right here. Yeah. You're all welcome. Welcome to the neighborhood. They come around my way. You're all welcome to the neighborhood. Come around my way. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood.